Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a health video. I'm going to be showing you guys 10 minutes of meditating stretches that you can do in the morning, throughout the day, at night, whenever you want to do them. So if you're interested in this video, keep watching. So you're just going to start in a standing position and you're going to lean to your side. Any side is fine. Keep your arms straight. Make sure you're breathing. And now I'm just transitioning into a flat back position. And bring it down. We want to grab our heel or our ankle and try to get our nose as close to our knee as possible. Now transitioning into a lunge position, and remember that you can hold these positions for as long as you need to. So if you need to pause this video, you can do that. And now I'm just lifting my arm, and you really want to make sure your chest is open. Bringing it back up to our previous position. And so we're just reversing everything now. So I'm going into my flat back position, and then I'm just going to go into my side or lateral position. And so now I'm just repeating that same exact thing, but on the other side. So we go side, and then we go into our flat back, we go down, we go into our lunge, and we bring it back up. So now I'm just rolling down head first, and I'm grabbing my ankles, and then I'm placing my hands on the floor. This is going to help your hamstrings and just the back of your legs stretch. And now we're going to a second position or squatting position, and I'm just using my elbows to push my knees outward and stretch my inner thigh. And now I'm repeating that. So from here, we just walk our legs inward until our ankles are touching. And then you're just gonna bend your legs, trying to get some flexibility going on. And you can do that a few times. And now we're in our butterfly position, and we're just going to bounce our legs and just roll our head around. And again, you can do this as many times as necessary. Really try to stretch your neck out and just really relax. Now we're just going to open the legs and push ourselves forward just to make sure our legs are open as wide as possible. And we're just doing the same exact thing that we did while we were standing up. So you're reaching to the side, and then you're going to face the leg and try to get the nose to the knee or as close as possible. You can grab your ankle, your heel, or anything that feels comfortable for you. And repeat that on the other side. Now you're just working your way down to the middle, and you want to make sure that you're just relaxed during this position. You don't want to strain anything. And we repeat that. Now we're just closing our legs and we're gonna go down. And again, you want to try to get your nose to your knee. I'm grabbing my ankles, but you can grab whatever feels comfortable for you. Take a slow breath and then go back into it. Now we're just going to stretch our hips out. And this is also a good stretch for your back. And so now we're just going into child's pose. And then we're going to practice some contracting and releasing exercises. So now you contract, which is rounding your back, and you release. Slow, deep breaths during these exercises, and just make sure you're really stretching your back out. And now you can just meditate or pray for however long you need to. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at XO_Romani and follow my personal training business at Glow with Ro Fitness.